Today we head up some 1972 meters in the Pirin Mountains. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't kind as the rain set in. So we had a hot chocolate at the Viren Chalet, assessed the situation, and decided to head back down to Bansko for some retail therapy. The narrow gauge rail from Bansko to Septemvry was a great experience of an old rail line. The rock and roll in the carriages gave the feel of the old days of steam trains. The trip takes us to the highest point. The route leads from Septemvry on the main line Sofia Itaman Plovdiv to Dobranish, passing towns of Velingrad, Yaukaruda, Razlog, Bansko, and Dobranish, linking the western part of the Upper Thracian Plain with the western Rhodops, Rila, and Pirin Mountains. Due to the characteristics of the route through the mountains, the narrow gauge line Septemvry-Dobranish is also known as the Alpine Railway in the Balkans. Avramovo Station, situated at 1,267 meters above the sea, is the highest station in the Balkans. On our walking tour of Plovdiv, it was interesting to hear about the Romans' time and influence on the city. We were told about the gladiator fights where they didn't fight to the death as it was a performance for entertainment. Also the amount of money spent on buying and training a gladiator. You couldn't afford to lose the investment so quickly. Plovdiv, the oldest continuously inhabited city in Europe, is now located on 6 hills. The first Thracian settlement on Nebet Hill has been dated back to 6000 BCE. The first inhabitants of the city were supposedly Thracian tribes, the Bessi and Odrysi. In 342 BCE, Philip of Macedon conquered the city and gave it the name Philippopolis, Philippos and Polis, city. In 12 CE, the Romans started conquering the Thracian provinces on the territory which is now Bulgaria. After the death of the Thracian king Remetic in 46 CE, Thracia was officially proclaimed a Roman province. During this period, the city of Plovdiv was an important administrative center, and soon afterwards it was proclaimed a metropolitan city of the province Thracia. The city was called Trimontium, a city on 3 hills, but soon it regained its previous name Philippopolis. During the long occupation by the Ottoman Empire, a large mosque was built, still present in the center area as well. During communist times, a statue of the unnamed Russian soldier was erected on one of the 3 main hills which overlooks the city.